Did you know that there are two kinds of tomatoes? They are determinate and indeterminate tomatoes. Determinate tomatoes are varieties that tend to grow to a predetermined size and stop growing once they set fruit. They usually require less pruning and are suited for smaller spaces or containers. Minimal pruning is needed. You may also remove any yellowing or diseased leaves. Indeterminate tomatoes are varieties that continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the entire growing season. They have the potential to grow indefinitely. They continuously produce new leaves and branches. These varieties benefit from more aggressive pruning to manage their growth and encourage fruiting. Today, I'm going to show you how to prune indeterminate tomatoes. The lower part of my tomatoes has no leaves because they are the oldest leaves and closest to the ground. They are more susceptible to soil-borne diseases. I would normally cut about 1/3 to almost half of the longer leaves. This will allow more sunlight to reach the lower leaves and can lead to better fruit development and ripening. It will also create better airflow through the plant, improving air circulation and reducing the risk of fungal diseases. This is called a sucker. It is a new growth that emerges between the main stem and the leaf branches. In indeterminate tomatoes, this is the main focus of pruning. Pinch or cut off these suckers using your fingers or pruning shears. By removing the suckers, we direct the plant's energy towards fruit production. This results in larger and more abundant fruit yields. When I see a sucker or a few that I missed and they are now flowering, I will just leave it. I can't bring myself to remove a sucker that is full of flowers. Here are more suckers at the base of the plant. This is how it looks after pruning. It is clearer and less crowded, with improved air circulation and more sunlight reaching the lower part of the plants. Having too many leaves can weigh down the plants, especially when combined with the weight of the fruits. These could lead to the breaking of the plant's branches. The normal height for indeterminate tomatoes is 6 feet, but they can grow up to 12 feet, depending on the variety. Due to their height and heavy fruit load, indeterminate tomatoes need sturdy support to prevent branch breakage and promote air circulation. The stake I have here are 8 feet tall, and the tomatoes are still growing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.